Hey guys, how you doing? This is Kunam speaking, Kunam from Kunam Trading. In today's video, I'm just going to pick up from where I left on the previous 2 or 3 videos uh, on bearish order block. And today I'll be talking on bullish order block. In the previous video on bearish order block, I went on to to start from what is a bearish order block and how to trade it. The same in today's video. Now I'm going to be talking about the bearish order block in depth. So if you didn't watch and you missed the bullish order block, I'm going to link it right now. You can click the top right, your top left corner, the top right corner, sorry, and you can watch it and give it a like if you like it, and please subscribe to this channel for more dope content like this one. So in today's video, I'm going to simply be talking about bearish order block. So as you can see on the screen right here, I've opened my trading view. This is the platform that I'm using. I use both trading view MT4 and MT5, and I am really an enthusiast trader. So as you can see on my screen right now, I have my GBP USD pair open and I have my areas marked out, and this is according to what the real price is showing as of this video make. So as you can see right here, so a bearish order block, the same concept applies as the bullish order block. So that's why I'm kindly asking you to please watch it if you didn't watch it, so that you really get most of the hack that we'll be talking about in today's video. At the same time, you really grasp the concept entirely and you don't grab piece by piece. I hope you get what I mean. So these are the conditions for the bearish order block. Now is that you're going to need a key resistance level. As you can see on my screen, I have mine in white right there, so you can see that it's a key resistant level, and it is an area of 1.42400. so it is coming from the previous months right there, right around, yeah, previous months, if not year. So I'm just going to zoom in since I showed you the key resistance level. Then you're going to need a reasonable candle body size, reasonable body size, the highest up close candle, as you can see with my screen. And so let me remove this so that you get what I mean. So after you get your key resistance level, you're going to mark it out as I did on mine right here. After you mark it out like this, beautiful, then it should be a reversal candle. As you can see on mine, I have this, we call it the this one, we could call it the inverted hammer, or we could call it the spinning top, we could call it yeah, we could also call it an evening star, or the whole part of this part, and this is on a daily time frame, mind you. So after that, the other point now from my previous video, now the video that I made yesterday on market structure, you now get into market structure. Now as you can see that we have a series of high of, so this high with the evening star here, right here, then we get into the low right here. So let me indicate it this way. So this is the high right here, and this is the low, and this is the lower high, and the lower low, and the lower high. So since this is the same level, we're just going to incorporate it into the same thing, since it is on the same level, and then another lower low. So after getting a lower low, we now know that this is a downtrend. So after we are in a downtrend, that simply means that we are continuing to go in the downstream. So let me do this. Let me just add this point as you watch, so that you don't forget it. market structure is king, exclamation. So that becomes a 4th point. So as you all know from market structure, when you're in a downtrend, when you're in the downtrend, we're now waiting for bearish trades. So what do? We now, since we now have our conditions for a bearish order block met, our key resistance level, we have it, our reasonable candle body size, we have it, the highest up close candle, we have it, the reversal candlestick pattern, we have it, and market structure now, we do have it. It aligns. So let me just delete this so that it's clear and beautiful and clean. You should always keep your charts clean, guys. If you're trading, yes, you should not only trade on one platform, you should have platforms that are clean. So the BTMM platform is the one that I would expect not to be clean, since already it is clustered with plenty of indicators. But this price action, where we get our order blocks and our market structure, it should be as clean as it could ever be. As you can see on my screen, if it wasn't for this text, it would have been clean. And this my toolbar is the only thing that I would have, but I would be moving it around the screen just to keep the screen clear. In this one, since it's the replay bar, I have it on because I need to be replaying. But on a normal occasion, it wouldn't be here. So my charts would be as clean as they could ever be. I'll take a screenshot and show you. So so you should always also pinpoint. Okay, now I cannot access my toolbar. You should always mark the midpoint right here, the midpoint of the order block. This is the area where you are expecting to take the trade, where that's the area that you're expecting. Once price gets up to and starts rejecting from that area, you start taking those trades, unless, and it is also the area to indicate to you if your order block is wrong, because price will start ranging above that midpoint and then break out of the order block and retest the order block and continue to the upwards. So you should really take note of it as possible, as much as you can. So I'm going to show you. So also on this lime green level, the midpoint of the order block, it is also the area where you're expected to set your limit orders, your sell stop orders, and you can set as many as you can depending on how confident you are with the structure and you are with the trade as possible. So yeah, so as you can see, price started thrusting, respecting the market structure, and started getting into an uptrend. We are only taking sells. We are only waiting for them. As you can see, let me extend my order block to the side like this so that price gets to the midpoint area that I just showed you, and it rejects it perfectly. So that your sell orders, your limit orders would have been triggered right now, and you would have been in the trades as of now. So it will be like this. Then stop losses, I expect them to be set around this area, and then the price is expected to continue to the downside just like this. Beautiful. So as you can see, price retested and breaks through. As you can see, then price is playing around the entry point right there, the midpoint, around the mid area. Now price is leaving and the trade is now getting into profit. As you can see that the trade is now getting into profit and the order block has been respected. Clearly you can see that our stop loss has not been hit, and this is this is a trade to make 1% with the risk reward is 1:5. So you can imagine that's like a really profitable risk reward ratio right there. So as you can see, the price is still playing around in this area. Price is still playing around in this area, and structure again. We now get, as you can see, this we get our high, our low, a lower high, our lower low, expecting our lower high to be right here, then our lower low to be. Let me see if change the color. So this way. So our lower high, then continue to the downside like this. This is what you're expecting, and creating more lower lows, lower highs, more lower lows, until it gets to our take profit area right here. So as you can see, just like this. So guys, this is simply how you trade the bearish order block. As you can see, the trade is in profit right now. We are now waiting, as I said, price is in real time. This trade is in real time, and currently in trades on this setup. I took this bearish order block. Usually I would go in history, then I would find a perfect order block that I would use, but I just chose to use this recent example that I just used for myself, so that the lesson is more practical to you and to others who are watching this video. So please, if you find this really quite informative, please like the video, share with your other trading partners, trading friends, trading relatives, and please don't forget to subscribe for more dope content and informative content like this one, because we're just getting started, guys, and you don't want to miss out on this. So please hit that subscribe button, share with friends, share with your partners, with strangers, it's fine, or with your group, in your trading groups. Share wherever you can, so that we grow. Let's grow, guys, and let's get big. We are going to learn, and this information is going to be available for free. You can get in touch with me in the description box below. I left my Telegram details. You can join the team. The Telegram details is there. You can join my broker that I use. You can join my prop firm that I use, Funding Talent. All the links are below in the description below. So guys, this is Konam, and I'm signing out. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.